Hey everybody, Gig Guy here. Well, day one of Bangkok is in the books. First thing you should need to know, don't drink the tap water. Bottled water for everything. All right, so I did a lot today on day one, and I want to walk you through it right away. But the first thing I want to do is kind of show you around my accommodations here. I'm staying at the Marriott Empire Place. It's more like an apartment than a hotel, so there's no restaurant here or anything like that. But I can cook my meals, which there's no chance I'm going to cook anything. But let me show you around. So whenever you travel to a different country, you're always going to notice things are a little different, whether it's the artwork or more logistical, technical things or whatever. But in general, it's still pretty much just like a hotel room or like a residence inn. There's a little hot plate there, kitchen. I've got all my dishes. I've got a refrigerator here that they keep stocked. This tea they make for me fresh every day, and it's pretty awesome. I've been mixing it with, of course, my Gentleman Jack Daniels, and it's a great combination. There's, all your utensils that you would need for thing. It's just like a residence inn. I don't know what this thing is. Maybe it used to be like a dumbwaiter. It doesn't unlock or anything, and the glass doesn't slide. A table area here, and then I've got a couch and a seating area. Another thing that's nice about these apartments, especially today, is I got a washer and a dryer. So I'm doing my laundry right now from yesterday and today. I'm a sweaty mess. Here is the bathroom. Nice oversized tub. Sink, shower, toilet, bedroom. I got my M&Ms. Nobody ever without my M&Ms. Well, kind of awesome view, but check this out. So most hotel rooms nowadays, at least in America, you can't do this. You can get right outside and just embrace yourself with Bangkok. This is a city not to be seen. Well, it is to be seen, but you need to hear it, you need to smell it, and you need to taste it. I spent almost whole the day at Chinatown to get started. Let's go there. I spent the day with my sister-in-law, Chris, and her friend, Noelle. We explored all that Chinatown had to offer in Bangkok. All of the temples, and especially all of the shopping. There were so many different products that you could get. We wanted to check this area out next, but there was no crosswalk. We're gonna try not to get hit by a car here as we cross the street. Chinatown in Bangkok has something for everyone, and all of the prices are really low. In fact, things in Thailand are generally pretty cheap. And you could buy any kind of knickknacks or jingle-jangle you wanted. And they also had a wide variety of food that actually smelled delicious. Even though I couldn't recognize what some of it was, it still smelled great. But as the day wore on, Chris and Noelle were ready to head home. Bangkok moves fast. In fact, motorcycles are all over the place in this city. Tuk Tuk, main mode of transportation. I hired a Tuk Tuk to bring me back to the hotel for 400 baht. That's equal to about $10. While some might find this a little bit crazy or scary, I found it exhilarating. And of course, I wouldn't be Gig Guy if I didn't let you know there was plenty of food delivery in Bangkok as well. I saw at least 3 or 4 companies. Tomorrow, we are going on to get on a train in the evening and go to our next stop, which is Chiang Mai. And that's where my stepdaughter lives as well. And I'll be spending a couple weeks there. This is just a short stop, just a couple nights here in Bangkok. But wow, really nice. I gotta give hats off to the Marriott Corporation. They're not paying me to say that. They do a great job by me. I hope to get as much content to you guys that I can out of this trip. Thanks for watching. Gig Guy out.